Okay, I want to read something very important here, because I want you to encourage you about your development and the kind of experiences that you're going to have. Did I leave that marker in here? Dealing with the third chakra, Manipura, it's called. I want to read just this one little segment here in terms of the purpose and function of the third chakra in harmonious functioning. I'll read the three paragraphs. The harmoniously functioning and open third chakra creates a feeling of peace and inner harmony with yourself, life in general, and your place in life in particular. You can accept yourself completely and also respect the feelings and character traits of others. You possess a natural capacity to accept your feelings, your wishes, and what you experience in life, to see them in the right light and recognize them as a necessary part of your development. Thus, you can integrate your feelings, wishes, and experiences in such a way that they lead to wholeness. All your actions are automatically in harmony with the cosmic laws of natural balance that apply to the entire universe and all human beings. When your actions contribute to the development of spiritual and material riches in both yourself and your neighbors, you're contributing to overall evolution. You are full of light and energy, and the light within you also envelops your body. It protects you from negative vibrations and radiates into your environment. If your inner eye chakra and your crown chakra are also open, along with the third chakra, your wishes are fulfilled spontaneously. I'll read that again. If your inner eye chakra and your crown chakra are also open, you recognize that all visible matter consists of varying light vibrations. Your wishes are fulfilled spontaneously because you are so closely connected to the energy of light in all things that you attract everything you are in search of. In other words, when these three chakras, here, and here, are open, anything you so desire, you can have. I'm talking about while you're on the earth. We got to get out of the way this learned thing that you earn your living by the sweat of your brow. That is what the spiritual path is saying. If there is an inheritance to be received. Now, Drew Ali told the earlier African Americans in the 20s that every black man and woman as Moors were to receive $1 million in this country. And since then, you've seen a rash of growth of black men and women who've become millionaires. That was his prophecy to the Moors in Moor Science Temple in the 20s. The level of mind that you develop allows you to contain that which is yours. If you have it on the mental plane, it must manifest on the physical plane. That's the law of mind. The psychological assumption automatically provides the means to fulfill the dream desire. When these three major chakras are open, they work together to harmonize the energy of your consciousness so that you can mold a thing not only in the mental picture, but also in the energy form on the mental plane. That is where you come about as close to mental magic as you get. So the chakras being open are very, very important, so that the power of the astral body, the etheric body, and the body of light can work through. We haven't gotten to the soul yet. But those are just all spiritual bodies, powers, that have charge over the earth. That's as far as we've gotten in terms of what your spiritual potential really is. I just wanted to bring that up.